Irrigation engineering. Water requirements of crops. 1. Delta in centimeters, duty in hectare per cubic, and base period B in days are related as delta equal to 864 B by D, B is equal to 864 D by A, C, B is equal to 864 delta by D, D is equal to 8.64 B by delta. Option A. If duty is 1248 hectares per cubic and base period is 120 days for an irrigated crop, then delta in meters is given by A 102.8, B 0.73, C 1.38, D 0.01, B 0.73. 3. A tube well having a capacity of 4 meter cube per hour operates for 20 hours each day during the irrigated season. How much area can be commanded if the irrigation interval is 20 days and depth of irrigation is 7 centimeters? Option A 1.71 into 10 to the power of 4 meter square, B 1.14 into 10 to the power of 4 meter square, option C 22.9 into 10 to the power of 4 meter square, D 2.29 into 10 to the power of 4 meter square. Option D. 4. A field was supplied water from an irrigation tank at a rate of 120 liters per second to irrigate an area of 2.5 hectares. The duration of irrigation is 8 hours. It was found that the actual delivery at the field, which is about 4 km from the tank, was 100 liters per second. The runoff loss in the field was estimated as 800 meter cube. The application efficiency in this situation is A 62%, B 72%, C 76%, D 80%. B 72%. A canal was designed to supply the irrigation needs of 1200 hectares of land growing rice of 140 days base period having a delta of 134 centimeters. If this canal water is used to irrigate wheat of base period 120 days having a delta of 52 centimeters, the area in hectares that can be irrigated is A 2650, B 3608, C 543, D none of the above. 2650. 6. The total irrigation depth of water required by a certain crop in its entire growing period 150 days is 25.92 centimeters. The culturable command area for a distributary channel is 1 lakh hectares. The distributary channel shall be designed for a discharge A less than 2 cumex, B 2 cumex, C 20 cumex, D more than 20 cumex. D more than 20 cumex. 7. The moisture content of soil in the root zone of a agriculture crop at certain stage is found to be 0.05. The field capacity of the soil is 0.15. The root zone depth is 1.1 meter. The consumptive use of crop at this stage is 2.5 mm per day, and there is no precipitation during this period. Irrigation efficiency is 65%. It is intended to raise the moisture content to the field capacity through irrigation. The necessary depth of irrigation is take y is equal to 1.5. And options are A 115 mm, B 169 mm, C 200 mm, D 285 mm. Option D 285 mm. 8. A sprinkle irrigation system is suitable when A. The land gradient is steep and the soil is easily erodible. B. The soil is having low permeability. C. The water table is low. D. The crops to be grown have deep roots. Option A. Land gradient of the steep soil is easily erodible.